Personally, I don't know if I could really wear these all the time. So I don't know if I should keep them, hold them, sell them. Y'all let me know. But like I said, 2,000 likes and somebody is getting this shoe for retail, man. Somebody is getting this shoe for retail. 2,000 likes, man. 2,000 likes. Make that happen. Share this with your friends. Share this with everybody, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin. And we back today with another video for you guys, man. If you guys are new to the channel, go down and hit that subscribe button. If you are a returning viewer, welcome back. You know how we say, welcome back. But yeah, man, I'm back today with another shoe review. And today we got a very special shoe review. This shoe came out, I think, 2 weeks ago or last week. And shipping took a while, man. It took like a week and a half. And I had to bring out the hat for the special occasion. As you guys can see, it is a pink brim. I've been waiting for this hat for like 3 months too, man. Repping New York, you feel me? So yeah, we back today with a shoe review. I got a lot more videos lined up coming, so make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, because I still have August pickups. It was like 20,000 I spent. Just a bunch of miscellaneous pickups for reselling. If you guys are into that, that video should be coming out soon. I got a couple more shoe reviews. I still have to drop a recap and top a drop for September. That's gonna be coming because I kind of slacked. Now it's like halfway through September, but I'm still gonna, recap the first half, and then I'm gonna cover the drops in the second half. So make sure you guys subscribe for those videos, man. But all right, today's video, we coming with a very, very, very special review, man. You know, when I come with the special edition shoes, I always say that. Very, very special. But if you guys know, well, you guys are here because of the title. It is the Jordan 4 Union LA. So it's the Jordan 4 Union LAs, man. So without further ado, let's hop into the unboxing. Alright, so let's get into the unboxing, man. So we coming back with the scissors. You know how we do, man. Can't afford a box cutter because y'all not subscribing to the channel, man. Y'all not subscribing. Y'all not clicking the like button. Yo, I'm about to stop doing this shit, man. But yeah, let's get into it. Straight, slide down the middle, cut over here, and then cut over here. This is a big ass box. Like, they requested signature release, and shipping was like $25. Like, they shipped UPS ground and it was $25. Like, that's kind of ridiculous. But woo, this is a nice box right here. First impression, first look, everything, man. Y'all looking at the thing before I look at the thing, you feel me? But yo, Union Jordan 4s, man. You know how we come in. So I'm gonna break down the box for you guys. As you guys can see, on the top it has Jordan's hands, and then the Union on the script, and then size. This is a size 9 men or 10.5 women. The color code reads Guava Ice LT Fusion Red. Retail was $250 on these Johns. And yeah, man, I really dig the two color, the guava on the top, and then the blue on the bottom. And then yeah, that's just the bottom of the shoe. But yeah, so that, as you guys can see, that's the box. Quick little breakdown, and without further ado, let's hop into the unboxing, man. So alright guys, before we get into the unboxing, I'm just gonna cover a quick background like I always do in all my videos. So Union LA 4s, Union LA is a store out in Cali. They did a collab. They first got known for doing a collab with, it's like a boutique. So they first got known for doing a collab with the Jordan 1s, and that skyrocketed. I remember I was on that site outside of IHOP a couple years ago trying to get that shoe, man. I shouldn't even have went to IHOP that day. I was being a fat ass, so I couldn't get the shoe. Now that shoe is beautiful to me. My friend has the storm blue ones. I tried them on. I wore them around. Them just was fire, man. So was the Chicago, the black toe one, man. That one is fire too. Just the quality on them is just so heat. And then they came out with the 4s. Jordan 4s is my favorite model. So I was really excited to see the shoe. But when pictures first surfaced, I did not like this shoe at all. If you guys remember from my Cowboy Drop video, I said, yo, these are so ugly, I don't even want to go after them. But it was just that this release day, I was on my phone, I clicked on the link, and I got through. So I was like, hey, why not? Just got them. one band up, you feel me? But I'll give it to you for retail. So if you want it for retail, that's it. I said it. If this video gets 2,000 likes, somebody getting this shoe for retail. So you guys know how they did the tongue. It was like folded, so that kind of looked weird on the 4. But like I said, Jordan 4 is my favorite model. Maybe I'll feel different about them in person, and I'm gonna be bringing an on-foot look. So yeah, man, let's hop into the unboxing, man. All right, so boom. As you guys can see, like I said, the box is fire to me. Like the packaging that Union put into this was just like amazing. So let's lift that. Ooh. Okay. So as you guys can see, the paper on the inside, it comes with Jordan. Is he crying in this video? Or is he looking at an envelope? I think he's looking at an envelope. He's looking at something. I don't know what the hell he's looking at. But y'all should know, if y'all know more about that picture on the paper, y'all let me know, man. But yeah, hopping into it. Woo! Damn, they gave me a scuff already. But yo, how do y'all feel about this shoe, man? Y'all let me know how you feel about this shoe. This is my first impressions. So they're coming with like a mesh, and I don't know, man. I don't know how I feel. I still don't know how I feel. Maybe they'll grow on me when I put them on, but I honestly do not know for y'all, man. I honestly do not know. Forwards, you could wear them with anything, like tight jeans, not really tight jeans, like slim jeans, skinny jeans, or you could even wear them with cargo. You could do the loose cut look, whatever you want to do. You could wear them with shorts. That's why forwards are so versatile. You could hoop in them, you feel me? But all right, let's get into the breakdown of the colorway of this sneaker, man. As you guys can see, the outside is like a yellow, kind of like the age look that every shoe has been going for. The suede material on the upper around the toe box, and then the mid area is a I think it's like a gray. They're calling that the Guava Ice, I think. And then the back is pink, or like reddish, pinkish. And then the back tab is like a blue, and the Nike Air on the back, it is in pink. So I'm gonna bring you guys a quick B-roll of both sneakers, and when we come back, we could break down the finer details, man. So I'll catch y'all when we come back. Alright, as you guys can see, I'm going to cover the smaller details on the shoe. Before I just cover like a quick colorway breakdown. Comes with 2 pairs of laces, a white pair and an orange pair. I don't know, I feel like, yo, you throw in the, I don't know if that's orange, that's like a goldish. If you throw in the gold pair of laces, these shits might be fire. Not gonna lie to you, man. Not gonna lie to you. But here, quick little detail breakdowns. On the inside of it is a Jordan logo, and it says Union. I'm gonna have a B-roll to show you guys that if you guys can't see. The outsole, it has the pink, the white, and then the blue, and then the tongue, as you guys can see, it says Air Jordan. And the inside, if you cut that stitching right there, the tongue will actually prop up like an actual Jordan 4, and it has the raw cut edges on the tongue, as you guys can see. Then the little accents that I really actually like, there's the little details that matter, man. So they left this one on the front, that little tab, like red, little pink red, and then on the upper tab they made it blue, and then the wing is clear, as you can see. The Jordan Jumpman tag is fire. Jordan Union. I might just put this on my book bag. So yeah, man. And then the little detail right here with the Union LA, as you guys can see by the netting. So the netting, I don't know, man. I don't really like the netting like that, to be honest with you. It's kind of white mesh back with black, and then the netting on the side is like that yellow look. Yeah, my favorite pairs of 4s is the white cement 4s, and I hate when the netting on those yellow, but that's just me, man. So this is clearly like a different look that the shoe is going for. And then you can also see the air bubble right there. The air bubble is in that gold orange type of color that they're going with. All right, so let's cut to the on foot look of these. Boom! So we're back from the on feet, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, my final opinion on these changed with the on foot, for real. Like, they look different on feet. I like the tongue look because it's shorter, and you know, at first I was like, yo, like, I can't see myself wearing these, you know what I'm saying? But then I was like, yo, the Jordan 4, one of the things I don't like about the shoe is the tongue being super high. So having the tongue like folded, it's actually not bad, man. Not gonna lie to you. Personally, I don't know if I could really wear these all the time. So I don't know if I should keep them, hold them, sell them. Y'all let me know. But like I said, 2,000 likes, and somebody is getting this shoe for retail, man. Somebody is getting this shoe for retail. 2,000 likes, man. 2,000 likes. Make that happen. Share this with your friends. Share this with everybody, man. 2,000 likes. Somebody getting this shoe for retail, and I actually really like it, man. Not gonna lie to you. Not gonna lie to you. For resale wise, my prediction is I'm probably gonna hold on to them if the video doesn't get 2,000 likes, and they should go up in value, as you guys see from the Union ones. These probably do the same thing. But DM me. I'm gonna give you guys a little disclaimer on how I think the sneaker market is gonna be. There's one shoe that I think is gonna pop off within the next couple months. It's already on the rise, but you guys have to catch it now, because in the future this is gonna be like the new Jordan 1. So that's my you know, quick take. But that's the end of the video, man. I hope you guys enjoyed. The material on these is pretty fire. Colorway is pretty fire. Not gonna lie to you, but I don't know if it's really my type of speed. I'm more of a classic Jordan guy. So yeah, man. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know how you guys feel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one, man. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy. Your boy out.